Hey folks, here's another video on our 2019 brute force. In the last video I made for you guys, I told you about our 2-inch monster lift, so I just wanted to give you a little closer look. It was just a bracket lift, almost identical to the high lifter kit. And when you buy this kit off of Amazon, it actually refers you to the high lifter installation instructions. So you just download the high lifter instructions off of the internet and follow those. So it comes with a plate, front and rear, and then 4 of these little brackets. Comes with new hardware and a spacer. This took me, I would say, 30 minutes to an hour to do. It was very quick and easy. The only issue I had, and it wasn't really an issue, but it would have caused a problem down the road, was on the front. When you put your plate across the front of your machine, so I'm by the front tire here, so it's the plate that you would put on the front. It goes right across this cross member here. I didn't have to take off any plastics. At the time I didn't have these shields. I just made these shields myself, just to keep my rad and keep my leg a little drier. But when I put this plate across, they have a wire that's tied up to this cross member. Just make sure you don't pinch it. I believe it was this one right here. All I did was fold that up a little further out of the way and got that plate in underneath. As long as you make sure that you do that, follow the high lifter instructions. 2-inch monster lift on your brute force will go very quick and easy. When I bought the lift kit, I also bought 1.5-inch spacers, which you can see on this side. I have my hubcaps removed. So 1.5 inches on each side will within your machine 3 inches. So I went up 2 inches and I widened it by 3. And this machine is super stable. I mean, like, I drift this machine around when it's just me riding, and it handles excellent.